Hello YouTube, today I'm going to talk about Kriega US-30 the dry pack. I think most of you out there know about Kriega, and I just want to talk about the replacement that I get from them. A couple of days ago I got a parcel from FedEx. This is the one that I've been using for 2.5 years in all kinds of weather in Bangkok, Thailand. And as you can see here, the top part is already ruined, and I think it's made of rubber and it's already melted. As you can see, bits and pieces on my fingers here. But apart from the top part, the other parts of the bags are still doing very well. The bottom part, which is made of some kind of rubber, is still intact and doesn't melt. So the top part that get exposed to the sunlight already melted. And so in 2018 I emailed to Kriega and asking them what could I do with this. So they gave me two options. The first one is to let me wait until May 2019, which is about last month. They will release a new Kriega bag with the new material for the top part of this bag. And the second option is that they were willing to send me a new bag, but it's this model, so the same problem could occur. So I told them that I'm happy to wait until the new one comes out. And I received this parcel, this one, 5 days ago from FedEx, straight from United Kingdom. So I'll put this one away. So this is the new version with the new top part of the material up at the top. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you that I'm a big fan of Kriega. As you can see here, I have the waist bag and I have the RX as well. So let's open up the box here. Whoa, all right. Here it is, Kriega US-30 Drypack with a new fabric here called CORDURA fabric. So as you can see here, the top part is already here. The material is not the same. Actually, it's the same as other parts of the bag. It's the bob at the back of the box. It looks great. All right, let's open up. Here we go. Ta-da! And here it is, the new US-30 with a new top material. So it's the fabric, just like the other part of the bag. At the bottom part looks still the same material. This one is good, it's still intact for my old one. All right, let's have a look inside. The inner layer is still the same. So the old one, let's put it side by side. So apart from the top part, everything about the bag is the same. And the bottom part of the bags are exactly the same. All the cutting pattern, all the stitches, they are all the same. And all the straps. Anything new about the straps? Let's have a look. Right, they're all still the same. I can use the old one, especially the shoulder strap. Still the same. So put it new in the box. All right, I think that's it about the replacement of my new US-30 from Kriega. So thank you very much, Kriega, for sending me the replacement. And all right, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.